Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we shall discuss about topic the OPC-UA protocol. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology, cybersecurity and you want to learn about it. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, OPC-UA is a protocol for data transferring actually. So whenever we have to transfer data from one location to another, so one protocol which is a very secure and a very popular and a common protocol nowadays is OPC-UA. Now OPC stand for Open Platform Communication, okay, and UA stand for Unified Architecture. So basically OPC-UA is a industrial standard protocol to transfer data from one source location to destination location. Now nowadays this is a very useful protocol to transfer data from, like for example in the manufacturing industry, you can also use this protocol in the other industries as well, but commonly it's used in manufacturing industries. Why? Because for example you have to transfer data from the plant to the IT sector. So why it is more secure? Because it is using the encryption to transfer the data from source location to the destination location. Now actually what is the architecture here? The OPC protocol is based on the client server architecture. Now what does it mean? One is the server and second is the client. So client talk or communicate with the US server based on the secure conversation, or you can say the encryption is used to for the communication. So between the communication between server and the client is completely encrypted. Encrypted means that no one can get the data or can hack the data between the server and the client. Okay. Similarly, also it can use the web services secure conversation. Web service conversation is also secure, and also it can use the HTTPS protocol as well. So UA protocol is based on the client server architecture, and also communication among the server and the client is encrypted. So that is why it is a very secure protocol nowadays, and we can say the number one protocol nowadays for data transferring, because it is using the encryption to transfer data between the client and the server. So now the advantages, if we talk about advantages of OPC-UA protocol, is that it is based on the encryption, and normally it is used to transfer between data between IT and the OT. It is essential approach for industries, and again the data is very secure, encrypted, so no one can hack the data, no one can compromise the data between communication between the client and the server. And it is the biggest advantage of the OPC-UA protocol, that the transferring of data between the client and the server is encrypted. So that is why we can say it is the most popular protocol nowadays in the industries to transfer data between IT and the OT. The disadvantages of OPC-UA protocol is that many machines and systems in the field that do not have the native OPC-UA implementation. For such system, it is recommended to upgrade them with additional hardware using the retrofit approach. This allows data to be queried via existing protocols of the plants and machines such as Modbus RTU. The data is then adopted and can be made available in other network participants and cloud systems in the form of OPC-UA server. So many machines nowadays as well which basically doesn't support the OPC-UA protocol. It is also true. So that is why you can use OPC-UA is a very good protocol, very secure protocol, encrypted protocol. But like for example, if we talk about in the manufacturing industry, in the plants, many machines and systems are there which basically do not support the OPC-UA protocol. So obviously in that scenario, obviously you have to upgrade that machines to the to that, so that they can support the OPC-UA protocol. But if obviously if the machines doesn't support the protocol of OPC-UA, so obviously you cannot use the OPC-UA protocol there. First of all, OPC-UA protocol is transparent, means that protocols are defined providing options such as the ultra fast OPC binary transport or the more universally compatible JSON over WebSockets. Okay, so transport is one thing. Then a session encryption, that the session which basically established is completely encrypted. Message signing is there, that means message signing, the recipient can verify the origin and integrity of received messages. Sequenced packets means exposure to message relay attack is eliminated with sequencing. Authentication, that each UA client and server is identified through X509 certificate, providing control over which applications and systems are permitted. User control is there, means that application can require users to authenticate, login credential, certificate, web token, etc., and can further restrict and enhance the capabilities with access rights. Auditing, that means activities by user and system are logged, providing an access audit trail. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.